Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to locate and utilize the longitudinal jitter effect. So initially we're going to go to Media, click and drag your clip to the timeline. It's going to look like this. And then we're going to go up to the Effects tab, Video Effects, Nightclub. Scroll down to find the longitudinal jitter effect. Click and drag it down to the timeline. And now we're just going to go scroll through it to see what it does, bring it to the beginning of the clip, and now grab it and elongate it to the end of the clip. With it being highlighted, we're going to go up to the Special Effects tab, and we can mess with the blur, the strength, the speed, and the longitudinal chromatic aberration, and also add keyframes to it. So let's check it out. Thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.